Hello good people, it's me Kumaitila, your money manager. I'm sure you're noticing the name change. My new name is Kumaitila. However, don't worry about this. It's just a lot of changes going on in my life. As you can see, my hairstyle is also changing, and it is because we are getting closer to our financial freedom number. So I'll do a separate video where I'll just tell you about the changes that are going on currently in my life. But my new name's that's how you should start addressing me going forward. So in today's video, I just want to take you through what we've managed to do when it comes to my Ma1 Rooms investment. Remember, I am working on achieving my financial freedom, and I'm doing that through my Ma1 Rooms investment. So I just want to give you an update on the 6th block where we are today. So I'm going to take you through plastering. This is outside plastering. I'm going to take you through sealing, and I'm going to take you through painting. This is what we managed to do last week and this week. So last week I was in Ma1 and I went there to buy material for these 3 stages because we are pushing, God willing, we should have the 6th block fully tenanted by the 1st of April. That's what we are pushing for, and that's 4,500 of income that we are looking at adding into our rental income. So this is really exciting stuff, and from there we will move into the 7th block looking at another 4,500. This is really how we are building towards getting to 30,000. Remember, our financial freedom number is 30,000. Let me not talk much. Let me just take you through the material list, the cost, as well as the labor cost for all these 3 stages. Let's get into it. For outside plastering, we got crusher dust, 10 wheelbarrows at 60 pula each. That's a total of 600 pula. We got half a load of sand at 400 pula. As you see it there, we got 12 bags of cement at a total of 954 pula. We also got our air vents, the concrete ones, 15 of them at a total of 474 pula. Total material cost came in at 2,428 pula. Labor we paid 2,700. Total labor and material cost for outside plastering came in at 5,128 pula. That's all we spent on plastering. Moving on to sealing. Sealing, we got a blundering timber, 49 of them at a total of 2,499. As you see it there, yes, that's our timber. We got cornice, 26 of them at a total of 1,558 pula 70. There is our cornice. Then we also got nails, concrete nails, drywall screws, and square screws. Yes, you see them there. Those are our nails. We also got rhino light, 20 kg, one at 339 pula. Then we got our rhino board. That's our rhino boards there, 17 of them at a total of 3,059 pula 15 tabe. Those are our material, and they came in a total of 8,461 pula 35 tabe. That's the material cost for sealing. Labor for sealing, we paid a total of 2,900 pula. Our total material and labor came in at 11,361 pula 35. That's our sealing being done there, and it's coming out very nicely. I am truly happy with it. So that's the total that we spent on this sealing material. Moving right along to our painting material, we got universal undercoat, 5 liters, 2 of them at a total of 768. We got PVA, you see it there, 3 of them at a total of 1,020. We got spruce there, 4 of them at a total of 2,154. Then we got the gloss enamel. We got 3 of them at a total of 1,155. So those are sort of like the paints, different paints for different things that we got. Then we got the accompanying accessories. We got the sandpaper, 2 sizes, the 80 and the 60 for each, and they came in at a total of 204. You see them there, yeah, 80 8 of them, so 4 each. And then we got the many other accessories. We got the roller brushes and the tray, 2 and 3 of them. They came in at a total of 190. You see them there, the different brushes and rollers. We got the matting cloth. You see it there, 2 of them matting cloth. This is sort of like 86 pula that we spent on them. Yeah, that's our matting cloth. Then we got the masking tape, 4 of them. They came in at a total of 159 pula 80. Then those are the other brushes that we got. You see them there. Then we got silicone. You see it there, silicone. We got 10 and they came in at a total of 530 pula 50. That's our silicone there, the white one, white acrylic silicone that we are using. Then we got what, I don't know what this is called, the tape fiber tenate. I think they use it for the ceiling there. So we got how many of them? 5 of them at a total of 291 pula 50. Then we got, those are the brushes, the other brushes that we got. I'm sure they're going to be using that maybe for painting the doors and what we got, like 25 mm we got 2, and then the 50 mm we just got 1. 50 mm is there, we got 1. So that's really our material for painting. Total material cost came in at a total of 6,659 pula 45. That's our painting material. And in terms of labor, we paid labor. This is painting for both the walls and the ceiling. We paid a total of 3,900. So our total material cost plus labor for painting came in at a total of 10,559 pula 45. So you can see it. So that's our house really being painted. You can see the ceiling is already, I think that's the undercoat for the ceiling, and then that's the undercoat for the walls. Then they will do the third and the second and the final coat. I don't know how many coats they normally put in, and then they will move right along to painting the doors. So the total that we spent on these 3 stages, being outside plastering, ceiling together with painting, came in at 26,934 pula 80. Well, there you have it, the total material list and labor cost for outside plastering, ceiling, and painting. We invested a total of 26,934 pula 80 tebe. This is our total investment into this stage. Remember, we are doing everything one step at a time until we get to our desired number. This is all that I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to leave a comment for me and a like for me, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.